Hey, I'm Mindy Kinnis. This is The Daily Rage. The message of today's video is you don't always have to be right, and it can still work out for you. So you can see my trades here plotted on my chart. For those of you that were in the live trading room with me this morning, we had the joyful experience of just watching a lot of chop. Really, really tight consolidation before the market opened. You can see, I mean, this is a very, very small range from here to here. Then, once the market opened, we did expand that range, but we still continued to chop around in that quite a bit. So I had taken a couple trades. I made about 20-ish dollars on the first trade, like not that big of a deal. I just pulled it real quick because I didn't have a lot of faith after all of this mess. So made about 20 bucks on that first one, and then I lost my next two trades. So after that, I was like, okay, like, are we actually going to do something with a clear direction and some momentum? That's all I'm asking for. And eventually, now it took a whole lot of patience to get there, but eventually we did push lower, then fractal bounce, and then continued on lower still. Now you will see here, this was my last bit of trading on this candle at 8:50 my time zone. It flattened out after that and then continued to push even lower. Those are some nice looking red candles. But here's my P&L for the day, and you can see that I stopped when I was close. I know I didn't hit my daily target of $1,000 today, but close enough. I'll call it good for a day that is super, super choppy. Even though there was another big push down, I was like, you know what? I don't want to risk the profit that I've already made. So, like I said, you can be wrong quite a bit. I was certainly wrong a bunch up in here, but then it eventually worked out for me. I'm Mindy Kinnis. Thanks so much for watching.